Describa AI is one of the most exciting new AI tools to hit the market. And today, we're diving into 7 crucial things you need to know before you decide if this is the right fit for your business. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what Describa AI brings to the table and how it stands out from the growing list of AI tools available today. First things first, Describa AI is a game-changing content creation tool that helps businesses automate and optimize their content creation processes. Whether you're crafting blog posts, social media captions, or even email copy, Describa AI can generate high-quality, engaging text in a matter of seconds. It's perfect for digital marketers, small business owners, and content creators who need to pump out high-quality content quickly and efficiently. One of the standout features of Describa AI is its ability to understand and adjust the tone of voice based on your brand. This means you can generate content that feels aligned with your brand's personality, whether you're going for a formal, conversational, or witty tone. This is a huge advantage for anyone running a business that relies on consistent messaging across multiple platforms. Describa AI also features a powerful keyword integration tool, which is great for SEO. The software can automatically incorporate your targeted keywords into the content without making it feel forced or unnatural. This saves time and effort for marketers who want to rank their content on Google without spending hours tweaking each post. Another major advantage of Describa AI is its user-friendly interface. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll find it easy to navigate and use, which is essential when time is money. Simply input your prompt, and within seconds, you get results that you can edit and fine-tune to perfection. Describa AI doesn't just generate content, it also allows you to refine and improve existing content. With a built-in rewriting tool, you can take existing blog posts or articles and have them rewritten with a fresh perspective, saving you from starting from scratch every time. This feature is especially useful for businesses that need to scale their content marketing without burning out their team. As with any new AI tool, you might be wondering about its reliability and accuracy. Describa AI has been designed to produce content that's not only grammatically correct, but also contextually accurate. This is critical when you're producing content at scale, and Describa AI does a great job of ensuring that the quality stays consistent. Lastly, let's talk about how Describa AI can integrate with other tools you're already using. Whether you're working with WordPress, Shopify, or a CRM, Describa AI's integration capabilities make it easy to streamline your workflow without adding another layer of complexity. And the best part? You can try Describa AI completely free through the first link below. If you're curious, go ahead and give it a test run to see if it fits into your content strategy. But stick around, there's more to come. At the end of this video, I'll share my top recommended AI tools that I've personally tested, many of which you can also try for free so you don't have to waste time on trial and error. So, what makes Describa AI stand out among the sea of AI tools out there? It's its simplicity, flexibility, and ability to scale with your content needs. Whether you're a solopreneur looking to save time on writing or a marketing team looking to optimize your content workflow, Describa AI has something to offer. If you're looking for a powerful yet easy-to-use AI tool that can handle all aspects of content creation, writing, editing, keyword optimization, and more, Describa AI is definitely worth checking out. And don't forget, I've tested thousands of AI tools, and you can find my top recommendations in the description below, all of which you can try for free. So, whether you're just starting or you're a seasoned marketer, Describa AI could be the tool you need to supercharge your content creation.